Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a lower back stretching routine. So if you feel that your lower back is stiff and tight, then stay along and I will show you a couple of exercises to get better. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment. The first exercise is a lumbar rotation. You lie down like this, you keep the knees together, and from here we'll slowly roll to the side, keeping the knees together as much as you can go. But try to keep the shoulder down on the floor and then slowly back. You do the other side slowly as much as you can, and you should feel a nice pull, a nice stretch in the lower back. And then you repeat again, and we do it a couple of times, slowly. Good. You can even hold there a couple of seconds, 5-10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. And repeat again. And again, hold it there a couple of seconds. Breathe in and out. And repeat again. I suggest to do it 10-15 times each side. Slowly rotate side to side. Next we will do a single knee stretch, so knee to chest stretch. So what you have to do, you grab the knee with the hands and you just pull it to the chest, hold it there 5-10 seconds and back. Same thing with the other one, grab the knee, pull it to the chest, hold it there 5-10 seconds and down. And again, you repeat a couple of times. Pull it to the chest, relax the leg, hold it there, and then back. And the other side again. Hold it there, breathe in, breathe out, relax the leg, don't contract the muscles. And again. And again, you can do it 10-15 times each leg. Next we will do a piriformis stretch from the same position, both knees up, and now we put this leg on top of the other one and with the hand we grab the other one. So in my case I place the left one on top of the right knee and I'm pulling the right leg to stretch the left side, so the left piriformis muscles. Grab it and pull it. Again, stay there, relax the legs, breathe in, breathe out. And then same thing to the other side. So one leg on top of the other knee with the hands, come inside and grab it and pull it. And now I'm stretching the right side and you should feel all along here. Very, very good stretch. Don't press too hard, so don't push too hard. Relax gently until you feel a stretch and you repeat again. So with the first repetition you start gentle. And then you can slowly pull it a bit more, stretch it a bit more. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay there 10-15 seconds. And repeat again on the other side. Grab the other leg, pull it to the chest. Again, feel the pull on the outside. Stay there, breathe in, breathe out. 10-15 seconds. And down. Next one is gonna be a hamstring stretch. Lift one knee up with the hand, grab the leg, and from here you lift the foot up and you should feel a pull on the hamstring, so you can do it as a static stretch or as a dynamic stretch. So dynamic stretch, it will be like this, so you just move it up until you feel the stretch and relax. And again up and relax. You move it a couple of times until you feel the stretch and down. So this is a dynamic stretch. If we want to keep it there to stretch it properly, we do a static stretch. So you keep it there and with the hands you can even pull it to the chest and you should feel a pull on the hamstrings. Stay there 10 seconds, breathe in, breathe out. and down. And repeat the same exercise for the other leg. Hold the leg, relax it, and then dynamic, we move it until we feel the stretch, and we go down, spooling, good. Slowly, don't be too aggressive, and then if we want to stretch it properly, we relax there, and now we pull it with the hands to the chest, and you should feel the pull on the hamstrings. Stay there a couple of seconds, breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Have a try with these exercises, see how it goes for you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell as well, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.